Hey guys, how's it going? This is Pocket, and today I'm going to show you how to exit DFU and recovery mode and even how to enter them. So let's get started. DFU and recovery mode are pretty similar. However, there's a small difference between them. DFU mode stands for Device Firmware Upgrade, which means that you can restore your Apple device by choosing a newer iOS firmware to restore it, or even an older one, which means you can downgrade it. But the older firmware must be signed by Apple in order to proceed, otherwise this is not going to work. On the other hand, recovery mode only allows to restore your Apple device by using the latest iOS firmware. So on recovery mode, it doesn't allow you to choose your own iOS firmware in order to restore your Apple device. And this because recovery mode uses the iBoot loader, which is found in device from iOS 7 to iOS 10. So we're going to start with DFU mode. To enter DFU mode, you need to hold down power button and home button for 10 seconds and then release the power button and keep holding the home button until you see a message on your computer. It would be recommended to have your iPhone connected to your computer and with iTunes. On your marks, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the power button and keep holding the home button until you see a message on your computer. Keep holding, keep holding. And now on my computer I can see a message saying that iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode, but this is actually DFU mode because the screen is plain black. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to exit the DFU mode. And this is exactly the opposite. So we have to hold down home button, the power button for 10 seconds and then release the home button and continue holding the power button until we see the app logo again, which means that the iPhone is booting up. So let's go through it. On your marks, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remove the home button, continue hold, and there you go. And now that means that the iPhone is booting, is loading, and that should take a while to load. DFU mode can solve a lot of problems on iOS. It restores the cache and the RAM, so if your phone doesn't behave, probably you can enter DFU mode and then get out of DFU mode, so you can solve all these common issues. So now it says to enter the password, and then I am back to the home screen. Okay, so now we are going to enter recovery mode and exit recovery mode as well. So to enter recovery mode is a little bit different. So first you need to hold down the power button and then power off. Immediately after you power off, hold down the home button until you see the iTunes logo with a small cable connecting to it. So let's go to it. So 1, 2, 3, go. Hold the home button until we see this weird logo with the cable. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Even if you see an Apple logo, keep holding, there you go. And now that means that you are in recovery mode. Okay, so now how to get out of recovery mode? It's exactly the same. So again, the key is to hold the home button, the power button to boot the phone. So on your marks, 1, 2, 3, go. So you have to keep holding it until you see the app logo. That means again the Apple device is rebooting. That's a very good thing. There you go. So now you can release the buttons. This will take a while again to reboot. Okay, so now you need to just enter your password. Okay, so that was how to enter and exit recovery mode and DFU mode. But I have one more solution on how to exit recovery mode. So I'm going to my computer to show you exactly what you need to do if this method doesn't work. Alright, so this involves by downloading a software from the web. So this software is called Reboot Tenorshare, I think I spelled it correctly. And there are two versions. There's one version for Windows and one for Mac. You go here for Mac, then you can find a version for Mac. Okay, so after you have downloaded this software, you can simply go ahead and find it and open it, and make sure that you have connected your iPhone with your computer. So for this purpose, I'm gonna click on the recovery mode and then exit to show you how this is done. Okay, so right now, after that, or if you are on recovery mode doesn't work, you can simply go and click on exit recovery mode. And it works. Now you should see the Apple logo immediately after you see this message. That means that the iPhone is rebooting. So let's click cancel here. And immediately after that, you will be asked to enter your passcode. Before ending this video, I need to point out one issue that I found. Once you reboot your iPhone, you cannot use your thumbprint to unlock your phone. So that's why you should remember your password. If you don't remember your password, then unfortunately you need to enter back to recovery mode and then restore your iPhone. Or if you have a backup, you can restore your iPhone using that backup. Okay, so that was it for the guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash this like button if you find this video helpful. And if you're a new visitor to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and get some notification on whatever video I upload in the future. Also, make sure to leave your comment down below to let me know what you think about this video, and also share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you in my next video. And also, Happy New Year to everyone out there.